Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's get ready for the proficiency exam 212. Mr. Jacobs can correct 150 quizzes in 50 minutes. His student 8 can correct 150 quizzes in 75 minutes. Working together, how many minutes will it take them to correct 150 quizzes? Okay. Well, what do we know? We know that Mr. Jacobs is doing 150 quizzes per 50 minutes. And we can say that that's Mr. Jacobs' speed, right? And I can call it like speed of Mr. Jacobs, which is given to us not in miles per hour, but in quizzes, right, per minute. And you may say quiz per minute. 150 quizzes per minute. Okay, let's do it that way. QZS. Well, his aid will have a speed of what? 150 quizzes per 75 minutes. How many minutes will take him to correct 150 minutes? And there are many ways in which you can solve this problem, Supposingly, my minutes, the number of minutes to solve, not to solve, to correct 150 quizzes is, and you guys can use any variable, well, because we're talking about time, let's say t, right? Good. Well, how can you write that as an algebraic equation? Well, let's think about it. First, I'm talking about Mr. Jacobs, right? In t minutes, how many quizzes will Mr. Jacobs have um, have it corrected, right? How many quizzes will Mr. Jacobs correct in t time, in t minutes? That's easy. I will take Mr. Jacobs' speed, correcting speed, and I will multiply with how many minutes. And that will tell me the amount of quizzes that Mr. Jacobs will have corrected in t minutes. To this one, I should add the amount of quizzes that his aide will correct in the same time, right? They're working together. They're working together, so in the same amount of time, each one will correct a number of quizzes, but their numbers added should give us what? 150. Okay? Well, before you do anything, you notice here that in the first and the second term, we have a common factor, right? Which is t. Well, take that t outside, and I have t times speed of Mr. Jacobs plus speed of his aide. This product should give me 150. But I know the speed of Mr. Jacobs, I know the speed of his aide, and I can just plug them in, right? You can do that right now, or you can first go back here and try to simplify this speed fractions and write them in a simpler form. Well, 150 over 50, well, basically 150 divided by 50 gives you what? 3 quizzes per minute. His aid, I have 150 over 75. Each one is divisible by 25. 25 goes in 150 6 times. 25 goes in 75 3 times. Or you may have said it from the beginning that 75 goes in 150 two times. So his age speed is 2 quizzes per minute. Okay, so let's plug them in. So what I have the time that takes them to correct 150 quizzes equals that time times Jacob's speed plus his age speed, and that should give you 150. Well, 3 plus 2 is 5, right? And my equation becomes, I said 5, I'm writing 6. 5t equals 150. To find the amount of time, I will divide by 5. You get the time in which the two of them will correct 150 quizzes will be 30 minutes. A is the right answer here. Okay, and this is how you solve it. This is not the only way. Obviously, you can find other ways. Use your best judgment, but get the score, get the points, and graduate. Okay, thank you.